Hello, my YouTube friends. So today I'm going to share with you my Coco sculpt. So I started painting him a long time ago, but for some reason I just couldn't get the colors right. So I stripped him, I think, 2 or 3 times. And then the third time, I was like, okay, that's it. So first we're going to start with the right foot. I hope you can see it well. There you go. Spin it slowly. So I did some blushing on the knee, and I also did some blushing on top of the foot. My goodness, this foot, not the foot, but the toenails are so tiny. It's like they're barely there. And that's under the foot. You can see it well. Yeah, I did some blushing here as well under the foot. Left foot. Left leg, I should say. Again, I'll spin it slowly. I hope it's in focus. Yeah. All right, now for the arms. So this is the left arm. And I believe Coco is a 17-inch sculpt. Yeah. So I did blushing just on the palm here, a little bit there, and also on the elbow. So right hand. Spin it slowly. Look at the fingers. On the it's fisted, so you can't really see the fingernails. There he is. We'll call him Coco for now. I didn't pick out a name for him yet. So I did a little bit of blushing on the cheeks. Also did mottling. I penciled in his hair and his eyebrows. I'm not too good with the hair yet, but I have to really practice on that. And I also have to practice painting in the hair, and then ultimately rooting. But I need a practice head, and I don't have one. So yeah. In the next clip, I'm going to show you what I use to stuff him with and also fill him with. Hi guys, so these are the legs for my Coco sculpt. We're going to go ahead and fill the legs and the arms and then the head and then put the body together, okay? So here's the legs. Right now we're going to put in the sandblasting beads, the 60 to 80 grit, which is the fine sand. So hold on. Get my funnel. Okay, sorry. So we're gonna fill, I don't know if you can see, it's filled about, I'd say almost 3/4, but I'm gonna put a bit more because I like my dolls heavy. I'd say now it's about 3/4 full. I'm gonna tap it to make sure that not all, that the leg is full all the way down to the toes. So now we're gonna go ahead and stuff it with some polyfill. So I think that's okay. There we go. So that's one leg down. And I just turn over and try to shake it out to see if it comes out. So nothing's coming out. So see, it's good. Okay, now for the arms. So it's almost at the top. See that? So we're going to go ahead and stuff it with our polyfill. Okay, let's test it. Nothing, so it's good. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. In the next video, we'll be putting Coco together. See you soon. Take care. Bye.